This is the summary created from the video IoT Cloud. The Internet of Things IoT refers to an ever-growing network of Internet-enabled devices and sensors that generate massive volumes of data. IoT Cloud combines the power of cloud computing and IoT to enhance performance and service delivery, amalgamating cloud technology with these Internet-connected devices. Sensors collect data from the environment, enabling context awareness and automated system triggering. The Internet of Things connects physical objects with unique identifiers, facilitating data transfer without human intervention. IoT spans diverse domains like vehicles, home healthcare, allowing real-world data integration and remote control. In the IoT architecture, devices like cars and mobile phones act as things that connect via gateways. These gateways establish connectivity between the things and the network or cloud infrastructure. Communication protocols enable data aggregation and message brokering, followed by event processing analytics and visualization on the aggregated sensor data. IoT systems are designed to handle large volumes of data from numerous sensors, requiring big data processing capabilities potentially, utilizing cloud computing platforms. They often function in real time, necessitating timely processing and actuation of continuous data streams with devices distributed across wide geographical areas. Issues like interoperability arise due to heterogeneity in devices and data formats. Cloud computing enables infrastructure-independent applications and a pay-as-you-go model, making it well-suited for IoT's high storage and high processing demands. The cloud acts as a computational, data processing and management platform for complex IoT systems, with cloud and IoT services coordinating seamlessly to provision resources on demand for better service delivery. In an IoT cloud framework, user devices connect through a proximity network to an IoT gateway, which connects to a provider cloud for analytics and services. The provider cloud has components like device registries, analytics engines, and streaming computing, potentially connecting to an enterprise network. For example, a car detects an anomaly, sends data through the gateway to the cloud for analysis, triggering the manufacturer for corrective action. The IoT cloud infrastructure includes industrial and common gateways, operating system containers, and connectivity protocols like MQTT, COAP, and HTTP for IoT and cloud services. Co-platform services for IoT and cloud tasks, such as lightweight data services and load balancers, couple IoT and cloud to provide a unified solution. Regular data cloud services merge IT devices and cloud computing for vehicular applications. The architecture includes sensors, actuators, smartphones, streetlights, utilities, and cloud services, enabling real-time decision-making by integrating IoT data and cloud resources via communication networks. Services offered include networking, data processing, storage, platforms, and cooperative information sharing. IoT systems are expanding across domestic, commercial, industrial, and health sectors. Challenges like scalability, processing speed, safety, security, and privacy need to be addressed. Cloud computing platform for scalable storage and processing resources to support IoT demands. The integration of IoT and cloud enables futuristic applications across various domains, leveraging IoT sensors, devices, data communication, and the Internet. In summary, IoT Cloud enables seamless data and application access via remote storage and processing, while scalability, real-time capabilities, and distribution pose challenges for IoT. Cloud computing offers scalable resources to support these demands. Interoperability issues arise from device and data heterogeneity in IoT systems, but IoT gateways bridge devices and the cloud, and handling these heterogeneity challenges to unlock futuristic cross-domain applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.